Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with rape and naked photos of a minor. Let's see here. My son was very popular in high school as a sportsman, and many young girls followed him. He and his friends had a party there, and they gave alcohol and drugs to a 16-year-old. She lost consciousness, and they took photos of her naked. Then they sold them with friends. Sold them. He was arrested for distribution of pornography and having raped her. Well, I don't see any of the facts indicating that they raped her, but obviously if he's being accused of rape, this would be a violation of Penal Code Section 261. It's a felony that carries up to 8 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life. Obviously, it'd be a good idea to know exactly how old your son is. If he's a minor, there's a very high probability that this is just going to be handled at the juvenile level, and he wouldn't actually have to go to state prison for this offense. But the DA would still have to convince the judge, beyond a reasonable doubt, that the alleged victim here was raped and not simply that she was passed out and they took pictures of her. Now, giving alcohol to a minor. Giving alcohol to a minor is a form of contributing to the delinquency of a minor, which is a misdemeanor under Penal Code Section 272 here in the state of California, which carries up to 1 year in county jail. You should never be giving a minor alcohol. Parents, those of you who have teenage children, you got to be careful with that. Sometimes at parties, you might give them some. Don't do that. Don't do that. Remember, that is a crime. 272 of the Penal Code, 1 year in county jail. Now, the other charge that's pretty serious is taking of the pictures and distributing these naked photos of this 16-year-old. This is possession of child pornography and distribution of child pornography. Under Penal Code Section 311.11, this is a felony that carries up to 4 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life. And if all of your son's friends were all doing this together and they were distributing it, passing it around and whatnot, they could all have to register. They could all have to register as sex offenders for life, and they could be charged all under a conspiracy theory under Penal Code Section 182, which also carries up to 3 years state prison here in the state of California. Yeah, distribution of child pornography is a really, really serious offense because it automatically can connect a bunch of different people, and if they're all sending it to each other, hey, look at Cheryl, ha 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 ha. No, that does not go very well, and your son and his friends could be in some really serious trouble. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of, having videos of masturbation of minors. Oh, geez. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.